Your system is designed to be lowered to create a more comfortable position for women and really anybody, with complete control over the height. It also can be raised above level to offer support for the cervical region, the head, or for the back, as you'll see later. First, let's start to know the different components in your table. The platform, which you rest upon, is a padded platform and it's attached with Velcro to an inflatable bladder. It's easily removed. It's a flexible platform and offers sternum support with rounded ends and is well padded. It's very comfortable. The inflatable bladder allows you to change the height over a large range and is attached to a hose system. It sits inside of a sewn bag which supports the bladder. Here you can see the sewn bag from below. Here you can see the one-way valve, which makes sure that air does not flow in the wrong direction. And here is the hand valve, which we're closing. Here's a shot of how you open the hand valve to let air out of the bladder and lower it. A foot pump on the portable model allows you to pump the bladder up, and the platform rises. Here you can see where the electric motor is stored in the stationary version. And here's the hand control for raising the platform up and for lowering it down on the other side of the head end. Using your ABC system is very easy. If you use a fleece or table warmer, you can stop short of putting it over the platform, but it can also cover it. For some larger clients, you may find that having it uncovered is best. Put your foot pump below the shadow of the table to make sure you don't trip over it, but where it's easy to use. The hand valve can be brought through the handle of a portable table so it's easy to get at. Getting your client comfortable in the prone position. There's a special face rest with short dowels that must be attached with the Velcro strap system to ensure it doesn't pull out. Raise your platform up to a height and angle that ensures that the head and neck are supported in a way so that the neck does not hit the table. The pad itself is adjustable along the platform for different heights of clients and different neck lengths. When your client lies down, you want to make sure that their neck is over that lowered part of the table and their breasts are located over the pad. Check as you drop them down and make sure that there's no pressure on their neck. Let the air out slowly and check in with them on a regular basis. Very little difference in height is necessary to create a very comfortable fit. If you go a little too far up, raise it up by using the foot pump or the electric switch. Check in with them after a few minutes to make sure they're comfortable. Getting your client comfortable in the supine position. The first thing you should do is raise it up a little bit if you've lowered the platform down. That way when they turn over there isn't a big recess in the table. Once it's up to close to level, have them turn over and put their head on the pad. Of course it's underneath the cover so you won't see it, but generally the position you would normally put them in will work fine. At this point you can either use the foot pump on the portable model or the electric hand switch to raise their head up. You can use it also as a cervical support if you move it down, but there's a little better access this way. The platform can also be used to create a great stretch in the front of your client by turning the pillow pad around and having them move up on the table. You can now get a great stretch and better mobilization of the shoulders. Again, use the electric pump or the foot pump to raise them up above level. It does take a good amount of pumping to get them up significantly though. Once they're up, the flexibility of the work that you can do and the positional release possibilities are fantastic. Packing up your portable massage table with the ABC system. First, lower the platform. You need to release the hand valve to ensure the air can get out. It doesn't have to go all the way down, but most of the way. Take the foot pump and put it under the elastic strap. Take the hand valve and store it in the same place. Face rest pad is attached with Velcro on the opposite side of the table. And the face rest platform is installed under the elastic strap. Cleaning the ABC system is extremely simple. Just follow the cleaning instructions in your owner's manual. It is possible to clean out the well very easily. Troubleshooting. If the platform will not stay up, recognize it's not designed to stay up for extended periods. A little bit of pumping is necessary occasionally. It's possible that your hand valve is not closed all the way. Snug it to the closed position. And also check all of your connections to make sure they're tight. There are several of them located in this system. Let's say the platform will not rise. In this case, check for kinks anywhere in the system, especially between the foot pump and the bladder, and also if you have the electric, make sure it's plugged in.